Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. Today we will see how to implement dictionary comprehension in Python. The syntax of this dictionary comprehension is this. So as this is dictionary comprehension, it will return you new dictionary. So that's why you have to use here these curly brackets as we use in dictionary. So then you have to iterate over the collection, and from this collection whatever value you are getting var, so as per that you have to create your key and value. So in this way it will return you new dictionary. So now we will implement this first. For example, for collection I will take here one number list. So this list I am creating using list function, and to this list function I am passing range. So here I want only even numbers list. So for that I will give here range 0 to 20, and value I will give 2. So because of this what will happen, so I will get here only list of even numbers from 0 to 20. So I will print this num list on the console. I will run this program. So now this is our list. Now what I want to do, I want to create a dictionary. So in that dictionary, key will be the number and square of that number will be its value. So this is my requirement. So how to implement that? For this we will use dictionary comprehension. Here it will return new dictionary. So that will be our output dict is equal to. So now here as we are using dictionary comprehension, we have to use curly brackets. Then we want to iterate over this collection. So that is num list. So what we will do, we will iterate for num in num list, right? So means this part is completed, right? So this is the collection part is completed. And next what I want this number as a key and its square as a value. So here expression we will write. So num is my key and num power 2 is my value, means I will get key as number and its square as its value. So we will print this dictionary on the console. Print. So I will run this program now. So I got this dictionary. So the key is number and square is its value. So 0 square is 0, 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16, right? So in this way we got here new dictionary, right? So in this way you can implement dictionary comprehension. If you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.